It's Trims by Cartier. And you guys, I'm doing this video because I need you all's help. I'm trying to raise $18,500 to start a barbershop that will also turn into a school later on. And also, I am starting a after-school mentorship program for the youth that would like to learn barbering. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to help out my community as much as possible to get the youth off the street or whatever. And I also, felt that it was time for me to, start working on actually building a barber school. So if you guys want to contribute, the GoFundMe is in the description. The link will be in the description, as well as any contact information. If you would like to donate things besides money, like equipment, clippers, tools, or whatever, I'm receiving anything that I can receive for this thing to be successful. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. And if you don't have anything to donate, whether if it's money, equipment, tools, or whatever, you can also share this video with someone who may be capable to give or whatever. Any way to help spread the word, it is greatly appreciated. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to do my part as far as the community and help the community out by starting this particular program to, influence the youth in our community. And then later on, I'm trying to, make the proper steps to open a barber school, which will create more opportunities for other people who are interested in barbering. I'm from Albany, Georgia. So if you would like to send anything, I will place my contact information in the description and you guys can reach out. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all for taking the time to watch this video. I ask that you all share it, and also share the GoFundMe if you can. You know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all for anything that y'all do, for watching the videos, or whatever. It is greatly appreciated. You know what I'm saying? I figured I'd reach out to, the internet to help me in this particular situation. So I hope that, I can receive as much help as I can. But I appreciate y'all for anything that y'all do. You know what I'm saying? And I hope that, I get some help. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all. Y'all take it easy. And remember, let's get to work.